great Wasim Akram. He's very slippery, comes in for the first ball of the semi-final. And he beats him, beautifully bowled. It's over the top, that's the first boundary. That's a 6. Top edge, cutting away, Wasim Akram. Mark great batch. He's had a wonderful tournament. That's a fine shot. Right finds a gap, that's 4.
Jive it again. Big crowd here at Eden Park. Oh, he's hit that miles. It's a short boundary. Oh, this will go into second tier. Huge 6. Down she comes off the concrete. What a shot. Akib Javed. Oh, a ball, he's bowled him. Slower ball, you little beauty. That was a magnificent delivery. He very, very nearly got himself an LBW.
Last innings here at Eden Park for New Zealand.
He's hit that in the air. This will be out. Caught in the deep. He's got him. Wright has got frustrated. He's decided to go for it. And Rami's sitting down there at the deep long on boundary.
Beautiful stroke. He just waited on it. There's no shortage of...
Thank you, Richie. Martin Crowe pulls the first ball away for 4. Mr. Garmer just a fraction short, and there's no doubt about it. But
see if he picks it in a minute.
Oh, it spins and it beats the wicketkeeper as well. What a turn there. That was the leg break going for buys. Might go all the way. 4 buys. It's in close. Got to be close. Yes, beautiful bowling. Forced Jones back. Gave the umpire Buckner a good look at that. That's a valuable wicket for Pakistan.
And he'll move on to some more there. That's 4 runs. It's a bad ball from Iqbal Sikandar. A full toss on leg stump. And a great diving effort. A bit long off.
You always have ropes or white lines.
Well, a bit over the top. Straight down the ground. He's letting those shackles go now. Pakistan under a lot of pressure.
That's gone. Into the stand. Well, hits the advertising hoardings on the full. Umpire Shepherd is in no doubt.
Martin Crowe is going through a real dilemma.
That's in the stands.
And this could well be out. Pulling that one, and the keeper Mohan Khan takes the catch. So Kenny Rutherford's innings comes to an end. A very good innings indeed after a...
Big appeal, got him, LBW. Yes, he's angled it back in, playing the ball from the crease there. Deepak Patel trying to whip that one away.
For them, they've been much too short.
And into the gap, and no third man. That'll be 4. Imran doesn't know what to do.
His performance from New Zealand.
Imran. Smith gets a full toss, he smashed it away. It's 4, is it? Just short of the line down there at deep mid-wicket.
7 for 261.
Slow ball again, they'll get 1. There was nothing he could do about that. Good one from Imran.
Now the breeze coming across the ground. That's a fine shot, that'll be 4. Good start by Ramiz Raja. Perfectly executed deflection on the leg side. Times that nicely, that'll go all the way down to the long on boundary. He picked that off beautifully. The half volley, punched through mid-on. It's a good shot, that'll be 4. Man coming around from deep cover, won't cut that off. He found the gap beautifully. It was a wideish delivery, and Ramiz Raja into the cover drive early.
It's England on our favourites. Been in the business a long time. That's out. He's taken the top edge as he's gone for the sweep shot there, and it's gone straight to backward square leg. Who's taken the catch? Well, they really did have to try and sweep him out of the business.
Playing himself in. It's flicked away. It's dropped. Flicked very hard to square leg by Ramiz Raja and Andrew Jones, who caught. And here's Sahel for the first wicket of the innings. That'll be 4 more. This time Danny Morrison dropping short. Ramiz Raja in complete control of his shot. And That's another
six.
great shot from Ramiz Raj. That's six. That's gone all the way.
That's from Imran.
So Imran Khan taking the offensive.
The target, that is in case of rain.
Man's coming back for it. Could be a good catch. It is a super catch. Denny.
Making a few metres down the wicket there. He's got an inside edge. That'll run away for 4. Every single run vital, especially 4s. In fact, leg bias signal there. Seemed to go very quickly away off.
Not giving the batsman too much width.
He smashed that one, beautifully hit down the ground, way up into the terraces. What a magnificent straight 6 that was. Imran is going to cut loose here. Jonathan's down the wicket. Good shot, beautifully placed by Meander. That's 4. Magnificent shot. They've got 4 men out on the offside there.
And he's going into the wind.
Man there, under it. Caught. Imran's gone. Harris has the wicket. Gone. First cherry and gone. Salim Malik out for 1. Between the two fielders, just 4, and this guy is. It's gone right over that fielder. For a moment would have thought the wind was going.
That's 4. Take it away. Full tosses outside off stump. Certainly not the name of the game here.
Looks a classy player.
He's got that one away right into the middle of the gap. 4, beautifully played, and Meander had wanders over to him, and they have a, what do they call?
Back into this game.
He's got that one away too, exactly the same place. Patel dropping it short. This is the guy who should have opened the batting. Magnificent shot there from Imran Al-Haq. Get back, this will be out of your hands. He's missed. No, he's not out. No, he's not out. No way. But he got back easy.
Well, New Zealand is certainly desperate for a wicket. Meander there, perhaps a little bit too optimistic, trying to get a single there. Morrison again coming in. Smith. Oh, well. Very tight one.
He got back there. He's so quick. That's got to be a wide. However, he got a bat to it.
Well,
so
as well.
It's gone to the fence. Very tense crowd. Boy, they got their money's worth. This is Morrison. It's 4. Wide delivery off the bottom edge. It's gone flying away down towards third man.
Very worried at the moment.
Oh, he's hit that one in the air and into the gap. It won't get to the boundary, will it? Yes, it will. It runs in. It was so high, it looked for a second as if it was going to stop there.
Good decision.
There's no way you can give him out there. Oh, and that's got him.
This time.
He's got him.
Absolutely right.
Imran Al-Haq is run out. They've tried it once too often.
Pounding away. Harris again, he's got him. Oh, he missed. That would have been out for sure. Wasim Akram was out of his ground. Harris in like a greyhound, picked it up, missed the stumps. Big hit. It's gone for 6. It's going all the way. That's 6 over off.
Talk about good timing. That was beautifully struck. And if ever Pakistan needed 6 runs, this was the moment for it.
This telecast. He's pulled it. Man out there at square leg. He's defending. It's going fine. It could go all the way. He's coming around quickly. We dive. That's 4 runs. And Pakistan have won the first semi-final in Eden Park. A magnificent.